Planning an Easter brunch but running out of time to decorate your table beautifully? Looking for ideas that feel elegant and European without requiring hours of preparation? Wondering how to create a refined spring table using simple items you already have at home? And curious how last-minute touches can still make your brunch setting look stylish and memorable? Stay with us, because today we're exploring European Easter brunch table decoration ideas that are quick, elegant, and perfect for creating a beautiful spring gathering. What defines a European Easter brunch table style? European brunch tables focus on effortless elegance and natural beauty. Instead of elaborate decorations, they highlight soft linens, fresh flowers, and refined tableware to create a relaxed yet sophisticated setting. Why does simplicity make the table feel more elegant? Simplicity allows textures, natural light, and subtle details to stand out. A clean, uncluttered table feels more inviting and refined than one overloaded with decorations. If you love elegant yet simple decor ideas, give this video a like and share it with someone hosting Easter brunch. What flowers work best for a quick centerpiece? Tulips, daisies, roses, and wildflowers are perfect for last-minute arrangements. Even a few stems in a simple vase can instantly brighten your table. How can I create a centerpiece in under 5 minutes? Place fresh flowers in a glass jar or ceramic pitcher, add greenery from your garden, and keep the arrangement loose and natural for effortless elegance. Tell us in the comments which spring flower brightens your table the most. How can Easter eggs enhance brunch table decor? Decorative eggs symbolize renewal and add a soft seasonal touch. Their pastel tones complement spring colors and enhance the festive atmosphere. What are quick ways to style eggs on the table? Place pastel eggs in small bowls, nest them in moss, or scatter them around the centerpiece for subtle, seasonal charm. For more Easter decorating inspiration, check out our playlist in the description below. How can lighting improve the brunch table setting? Soft natural light is ideal for daytime brunch, but adding candles or small lanterns enhances warmth and elegance, especially for indoor settings. What candle styles suit a European brunch aesthetic? Simple white candles, glass votives, or small tea lights create a refined ambiance without overpowering the table. Subscribe for more elegant seasonal decor ideas inspired by European style. How can I elevate place settings quickly? Use cloth napkins, tie them with twine or ribbon, and add a small sprig of rosemary or lavender for a charming and refined detail. What table linens create an elegant brunch look? Neutral linen runners, soft cotton cloths, or lace overlays add texture and sophistication while maintaining a light spring feel. Love these elegant touches? Find similar decor items linked in the description below. How can food double as table decoration? Beautifully arranged croissants, pastries, fruits, and breads create a visually appealing spread that enhances the table's aesthetic. What serving styles feel European and refined? Use ceramic platters, wooden boards, and tiered trays to create height and visual interest while keeping the presentation relaxed and inviting. For more decor inspiration like this, explore our similar videos listed in the description. How do natural textures enhance the brunch table? Wooden boards, woven placemats, linen fabrics, and fresh greenery create warmth and authenticity inspired by European countryside dining. What greenery works well for last-minute styling? Herbs like rosemary, thyme, eucalyptus, or small olive branches add fragrance, texture, and natural beauty. If you enjoy elegant, entertaining ideas, make sure to subscribe for more inspiration every week. What are quick tricks to make a brunch table look elegant instantly? Keep the color palette soft, remove clutter, add fresh flowers, and incorporate natural textures. Even small, thoughtful details can transform a simple table into an elegant setting. Creating a beautiful European Easter brunch table doesn't require hours of preparation. By combining fresh flowers, pastel eggs, soft linens, and thoughtful food presentation, you can achieve an elegant and welcoming setting in minutes. Focus on simplicity, natural textures, and seasonal touches, and your table will feel warm, refined, and ready for a joyful spring gathering. If you enjoyed these elegant brunch table ideas, like this video and share it with friends hosting Easter gatherings. Tell us your favorite brunch table decoration idea in the comments below. Looking for more decorating inspiration? Check out similar videos linked below. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more elegant home decor and entertaining ideas.